The purpose of this video is to show you the operating procedures for the Berth 2 shiploaders. The Berth 2 shiploaders are quadrant shiploaders and are very similar in operation to the coal shiploaders. Use your slew, shuttle, and boom hoist to safely enter the hatch. Visibility from the cab can be limited, especially when booming up high to slew over ship's gear. If in doubt of your clearance, call the other shiploader or your foreman to confirm that you are clear. Once in the hatch, lower your cascading spout down close to the cargo to avoid dust. On the west shiploader, the spout tilt probes will automatically raise the spout when hit by the cargo. But when you are moving around the hatch, raise the spout up enough that it is not dragging on the cargo. The east shiploader has a trimmer chute attached to the bottom of the spout. It is possible to bury the chute before the probes will raise the spout automatically, so be aware when the spout is close to the cargo on the east shiploader. The purpose of this chute or spoon is to get more cargo into the ship's hatch wings to create a flat stow. On the west shiploader, although you cannot throw any cargo under the wings to do a true flat stow, it is necessary to get close to the hatch coamings while loading to make the stow as flat as possible. On the RS view, if there is a hatch number and run target on the screen, ask your foreman before entering any new information. If it is a new start, the foreman will give you the hatch number and the run target. To enter the new hatch number and run target, you must be in hatch change mode. Touch the hatch change button. You may have to wait for the 90-second countdown to complete before you can enter the run target. Then touch the hatch number button. A numbered keypad will pop up. Use the up and down buttons to select the new hatch number, then touch the accept button. Next, touch the run target button and use the numbered keypad to enter the new target. Press the accept button when done. At this time, you may be asked to adjust the tons per hour rate. If so, touch the rate tons per hour button and enter the new rate with the keypad. Then touch accept to set the new rate. You are now ready to start up the shiploader. Call the foreman and tell him you are starting up in hatch whatever. You may start the system conveyors by touching the Start Shipping Conveyors button or the System Start button on the side control console. Once the three conveyors have started, 14, 13, and 12 on the east, or 11, 10, and 9 on the west shiploader, put the surge bin gate into auto by touching the auto button. Now just bump the surge bin gate joystick to open on the left-hand chair console. You do not have to hold it. The surge bin gate will now open automatically and try to achieve the tons per hour you entered, in this case 2,000 tons per hour. There is no need on these shiploaders to worry about cutoffs when finishing a hatch run. The surge bin gate will close automatically when the correct tons are reached, but remember, the gate must be in auto to do this. To close the surge bin gates, if necessary, while loading, just touch the Close Gates button. Or hold the surge bin joystick to the close position till the gate is fully closed. It is a good idea to check here on your screen to make sure that the gate is closed. The surge bin gate may be operated in manual mode as before by touching the manual mode button, then by using the joystick. Manual would be used, for instance, when running off the conveyors to the dock. The trim mode button may be used to lower the tons per hour if required, as when dolling off a very full hatch. There is also a start scrubbers button and a stop scrubbers button. The group fault reset button may be used to reset conveyor and spout faults if required. The potash portal reclaimer can be controlled by either shiploader. You may start or stop the reclaimer by touching the Start Stop Reclaimer button. To get to the reclaimer's control screen, touch on the reclaimer's avatar. Now touch the control button to bring up the reclaimer's control panel. To start the reclaimer, touch the auto start. To stop the reclaimer, touch the auto stop. Press the hold button to just stop the travel not the reclaimer, and the resume to start the traveling again. To change the reclaimer's traveling speed, touch the speed numbers. Enter the new speed number the foreman has requested, then touch the download. Then touch the Speed Set button to set the new speed. To change the north or south set points, touch the north or south set point button. Then touch the old set point number, enter the new set point numbers the foreman has requested, then touch the download. Touch the Accept button to set the new set point. When done, touch the Escape button to return to the previous screens. If the shiploader's high wind alarm goes off at 35 miles per hour, call your foreman and close your surge bin gate. Let the belts run dry, then stop your system by pressing the System Stop button. Never slew the shiploaders under a high wind situation. Never. Spout up to the limit so the crew can close the hatch covers if necessary. Shuttle in the shiploader only if slewing is not required, then come down and report to the foreman's dock office.